Hello everyone, my name is Lisa Fernanda Arias and this is the task for the phonetics and phonology course. So today I'm going to share with you some characteristics about three sounds. So these are the sounds. Okay, these are the consonant samples that I'm going to talk, these three. I'm going to start with this. This is, the sound is like this. Listen to me. Shh, 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 shh. It is voiceless. That is means that it doesn't sound here in your tongue, or you don't, if you touch here, you don't hear or you don't feel the sound. So it's voiceless. It is also palatal alveolar. What is this palatal alveolar? This is when the tongue is spread over the hard palate like this here and the alveolar ridge, making it palato alveolar. So here are some words. It's also when the sound is like sh, sh, sh. You force the air between the tongue and the palatal. So it is fricative. Some words with these sounds are shape, sheep, mission, wish, and cash. In here, we have at the initial, in the middle, and at the end. In the initial, with shape like this. Try to pull out air from your mouth and put your teeth together like this and push your tongue. The second one is this one. This is harder than the last one. It's also voiceless and the tongue is spread over the same is palato alveolar. The hard palato and the alveolar ridge, making it make the sound palato alveolar. Some words for these sounds here are like this. Put your teeth together. Like the words cheap, richer, capture, branch. So in here we have these words with the sound at the initial, in the middle, and at the end. For example, sheep, sheep, in the middle, richer, richer, capture, capture, like at the end, that's the same as branch, branch, right? The last sound is this one, is like the F sound. So in here, the sound is, what happened with this sound? It has no vibration, so in your throat here, so it is voiceless too. In here, you feel the top of your teeth touching your lower lip like this. Touching your lower lip. So this sound is labiodental. The air that push out between your lips and your teeth, this significates that it's fricative. This is fricative. Some words or some sounds from these words are first, affair, roof. So again, we have the sound at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. In the beginning with first, in the middle with affair, affair, and at the end with roof, roof. So thanks everyone. That's all for this time. See you next time. Bye.